Hi, let's take a look at a sentence one of my students said in class. The protesters threw bottles to the police. Now, this was a situation where there's a protest and a demonstration, and the protesters are throwing bottles and the police are getting hit by the bottles. Now, in this situation, the preposition to is not right. The protesters threw bottles to the police. Let's have a look. What does throw to mean? Throw to means to give something to someone by throwing. So if we look at the picture here, we can see there's a person throwing a life preserver to someone in the water. Now that's because they can't reach. The person in the water is too far away to reach, so need to throw the life preserver. So if throw to is not right, we need another preposition, not to something else. What about throw at? Throw at means to disturb or injure someone by throwing something in their direction. So in the picture here, we can see there's a boy throwing a snowball at a person. Now the boy is not trying to give the snowball to the person. They want to disturb, they want to cause some trouble for the person, for fun, I guess. So the sentence, the protesters threw bottles to the police? No, that's not right. The protesters are not giving the bottles to the police. The protesters want to disturb the police. So the correct sentence is, the protesters threw bottles at the police. Okay, we'll look at another sentence in the next video.